In this recipe, we're going to learn how to make some homemade pancakes. Now, we've done this at school before, and at school, we've just looked at the box. So if you have a mix of pancakes, a box of that, then you can just look at the side. But this is also a fun recipe to do at home, so it's homemade. So what you need to get out for this recipe, you need to get flour, sugar, baking powder, salt, milk, eggs, oil, and cooking spray. The supplies that you'll use is a mixing bowl, a whisk or a fork, measuring cups, a griddle or frying pan, spatula, and plates to eat on. Now again, make sure you get these things out before you start cooking because it'll be super helpful just to have it all handy. Now, you can pause this video and follow the directions off to the side. I need to point out, I'm going to play this video, but I need to point out that the video says 2 tablespoons of baking powder, but it's actually 2 teaspoons. Don't use tablespoons. Okay, here we go.
All Recipes member Sharon Holt submitted this recipe for easy pancakes, and she commented, "This recipe doesn't require much thought early in the morning, and it tastes great. We love that, and from start to the plate, just 15 minutes.
Doesn't that look delicious?
In a large bowl, mix a cup of all-purpose flour, with 2 tablespoons of sugar, 2 tablespoons of baking powder,
Make sure this is teaspoons of baking powder,
and a teaspoon of salt. Blend it all together, and then make a well in the center.
A well, so she's just making a little dent there in the center for all the wet ingredients, so the liquid stuff to go in.
Pour in a cup of milk, one beaten egg, and 2 tablespoons of oil.
Now this could be vegetable
Mix the
oil
batter until
or
it's
whatever
smooth.
oil you have at home. Now mix until smooth.
Now let's heat a griddle or frying pan over medium-high heat and lightly oil it. Pour or scoop the batter onto the griddle, using approximately a 1/4 cup of batter for each pancake. When the edges are brown and small bubbles have formed in the center of the cakes, go ahead and flip them. Pancakes in the morning are always a perfect start to a great weekend. Enjoy.
Enjoy. There you have it. So you can watch that video for the steps, or I have them off to the side. Good luck with this one.